Hello, everybody. My name is Miles Corey, and today I want to discuss the recent rise in interest rates and whether or not you should still buy real estate in this market. So first off, let's talk about the rise in interest rates. So as a lot of you know, over the past month, we've seen a pretty significant rise in interest rates, and it has affected all the equity markets. The stock market is down 10% from highs over the past month. And, there's a lot of fear in other markets. We'll stick to real estate today. Specifically in the real estate market, there's a lot of people wondering, with the rise in interest rates, is it a bad time to buy? So, let's talk about interest. We've discussed it in prior videos. Interest is the cost of money. So how interest rates affect, equity prices and affect the markets. When, interest rates are low, the cost of money is low. So the cost of money is cheaper, I should say. When the cost of money is cheaper, when interest rates are low, there's more liquidity in the market that can be, distributed amongst, different equity markets. So, for example, we'll stick to the real estate market. When interest rates are, as low as 3%, more buyers are incentivized to buy because with higher equity prices, with a low interest rate, borrowing money is cheaper, and your monthly mortgage payments are not going to be as bad as, say, if interest rates were at 6-7%. So with the rise in interest rates, borrowing money is, in a market where interest rates are higher, borrowing money is, harder. And when borrowing money is harder, there's typically less buyer demand. So one of the bigger fears, at least in this market, is that if interest rates, increase, then that the current prices of a lot of equities are not going to be able to be sustained. So going back to, whether it's a good time to buy or not, I think that's, I still believe that's a case-by-case basis. So are you looking at a property, for the long run? Are you looking at a property that you want to live in for the next 20, 25, 30 years? If that's the case, and you can get that property for a monthly and pay a monthly mortgage payment, a fixed monthly mortgage payment that you're comfortable not just paying now, but over the next 10, 15, 20, 30 years, then I think the answer is yes. I think, it's still a good time to buy if you find the right opportunity and you find the right situation that you're willing to be in for the long run. So, that's basically all I have for you guys today. But yeah, it's just kind of, my take on, the current, the current market situation. But, hope I provided some good information for you guys. And hope you all are having a good day.